Hey everyone, I'm Ivars, and I'm thrilled to kick off this video series about the making of Tales of Halosha. Today, we're diving into the world of app and game development. On the left, you can see a plethora of tools, languages, and frameworks that one can use to create apps, software, and games. Meanwhile, on the right, I'll show you what I use. In my opinion, using Unity and Visual Studio Code is a much easier way to get started compared to learning Swift, Java, Xcode, and Android Studio. Let's weigh the pros and cons of these two approaches. Personally, I only see two cons. After all, if your product solves the user's problem and looks great, they won't really mind the size or battery consumption. They'll be eager to get their hands on it. Two more pros: you can make games, apps, and software with Unity for all platforms. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content, please hit like and subscribe.